to Eliza's one. I am Eliza.
I'm Leanne.
And today we're going to be making Harry Potter lights. Let's go!
If you've seen in Primark, they often sell packs of lights similar to this. This is the Honeydukes range, which is in my collection. They also sold a Harry Potter potions range as well. But they were really hard to get to, and to buy these now on eBay is very expensive, but we know how you can make your own.
To make these Harry Potter lights based on these, we will be needing 10 bottle string lights from Poundland, a glue stick which you can find
From anywhere?
from anywhere.
Probably your craft drawer.
Yes, you can find them from there. Batteries, some parcel paper, and a few pens and towels.
These lights from Poundland for one pack, and all you need to do, and it's really simple, you can look up online lots of the different Harry Potter potions and spells. Wikipedia actually has a long list, an A to Z list of all the potions that are used in Harry Potter. So you can click onto that. We'll put a link in the description below for that.
So you'll need a piece of this paper about this long.
Yeah, and I've cut it a bit wide at the top, so you may need to neaten it up a little bit.
Let's use our magical finger to cut these into mini strips. 3, 2, 1. Oh wow! This really is magic.
So these are now going to be the labels to put around your bottles. But before we do that, we need to decorate them.
Yes. So that's what we need this for. That one, you can have a look in there to see if you've actually done her. So now we've made all of our...
All 10 of our labels, and we've made some which are quite Harry Potter, and then Eliza's made a couple of, one LOL one as well. Now you can see these are some that we've done earlier, and we've also done this string earlier as well. But now we're going to attach them to this one, aren't we?
Yeah.
So, okay, so if you want. So, got the bottles here, and now we've got our print stick, and now we've got to glue the labels on. I better go and get another glue stick. There you go, you can start. And there we go. There's one of our new fresh labels. They could take the lights out, so you could put glitter and stuff like that in them if you wanted to. Easy, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it's a good chance to, if the child doesn't want to go outside and wants to do an activity, and they like Harry Potter, this is a perfect opportunity.
Or if you've got a Harry Potter themed room or a Harry Potter shelf, which a lot of Harry Potter fans have got, these would look great hanging. And you could also use the Poundland plastic hangers, which have got the adhesive on the back, to hang them off shelves and things like that, save using nails. So now we just need to light up the dark.
Plus sign with the spring is.
The plus sign matches up with the plus sign here.
This is plus sign.
And go, no, where the spring is, you put the spring in first and then you push it down. Okay? And then you've got to turn that one upside down, so you always go opposite.
Yeah,
spring in first. There we go.
Oh wow!
So what do you think, Eliza?
I think it's going to be great, and I want to put it in my room.
So that's it. That's how you make Harry Potter lights from Poundland 10 bottle string lights. They quite often sell these at different times of the year. I have found them in small packs over the time and big packs like this. But they make great duplicates for these. Now online you can print off proper labels for bottles as well. I'll put some links in the description below for that. But if you haven't got a printer, and you want something that's really quick and easy to do, the brilliant 5-minute Harry Potter Poundland upcycle.
And no, you can't, and you don't have to let it dry overnight.
No, they're ready to go straight away, so they're really quick and easy to do.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the next one. Bye! Here's Lala-Belle. It's a tickle though. No, you're not.
Somebody called child love.
No. Down the buffet without a care. Driving down the buffet. Oh, don't stop there. Driving down the buffet. What? I can't get to work tonight. Driving down the buffet. What are them big line of cars? By the way, YouTube, if anyone uses that copyright song, we can copyright it.